Hi everyone, welcome to some case tech. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install CorelDraw version 13 for beginner. So I do have my CorelDraw X3 on my PC already, so I'll be opening the folder. I'll click on Install CorelDraw Graphics Suite X3. A page will pop up asking me to choose a selected language. I'll leave it in English United States. So I'll wait till the process finish installing. So it's saying installation wizard complete. This install shell wizard has successfully installed CorelDraw Graphics Suite X3. Click finish to exit the wizard. So once I click finish, I'll close this. So my CorelDraw is already installed. If I want to bring it to the desktop, I'll click on start, type Corel, right click, open file location, now right click on this, send to desktop. So that's it. So guys, that's how you install CorelDraw version X3 on your PC for both desktop and laptops. If you find this video helpful, kindly click the like button and subscribe to my channel.